this video, I am going to show you how to use EXITLAG on mobile. First, start by downloading the EXITLAG app from their official website or from a trusted source. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll see a list of games supported by EXITLAG. Search for the game you want to optimize and select it. The app will then provide you with different routing options to improve your connection. Choose the one that works best for you. Next, configure any additional settings such as ping tests or connection preferences to tailor the experience to your needs. Once everything is set, simply click the Start button to activate EXITLAG. The app will optimize your connection for the selected game. You can now launch your game and enjoy a smoother online experience. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's support section for troubleshooting tips. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.